Which is the basis of modern periodic table? Atomic number. Hardwood tree like mahogany and ebony are found in which forests? Equatorial forest. Who is the world's first woman cosmonaut? Valentina Tereshkova. Which type of lake is formed by volcanic activities? Caldera Lake. Which day is celebrated as United Nations Day every year? 24th October. Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred on which date? The 13th of April 1919. Where are red blood corpuscles formed? In bone marrow. The Karakoram Highway connects which pair of countries? China, Pakistan. Which is the longest inland waterways in the world? Mississippi River System. Which is the largest tiger reserve in India? Corbett. Famous golf player Vijay Singh is from which country? Fiji. Who is called the Flying Sikh of India? Milkha Singh. Chinaman refers to which game? Cricket. Which was the first Indian satellite to go into orbit? Aryabhatta. Which part of human brain is the regulating center for swallowing and vomiting? Medulla oblongata. Which satellite is used in ship-to-shore and shore-to-shore and shore-to-ship communication? Marisat. Who is the first non-Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. After how many years does Halley's Comet appear once in a period? 76 years. In India, in which was the service tax first introduced? 1994. Who is called the father of economics? Adam Smith. Which rivers joins Ganga at Allahabad? Yamuna. Who was the first president of BCCI? R.E. Grant Govan. What are tropical cyclones of the Bay of Bengal usually called? Typhoons. Who is the youngest player to score a century in Test cricket? Muhammad Ashraful. Non-stick cooking utensils are coated with which metal? Teflon.